Hey dessert lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we turn simple ingredients into mouth-watering creations. Today, we're unlocking the magic of store-bought cookie dough. Get ready for 6 super easy and delicious dessert recipes that will amaze your taste buds. So grab that cookie dough from your fridge, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into these sweet treats. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're about to turn cookie dough into cheesecake. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me on this one. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's make that cheesecake filling. Grab your cream cheese, make sure it's softened, and toss it in a bowl with some sugar and a dash of vanilla extract. Cream those together until they're nice and smooth. Now for the secret weapon, eggs. Crack a couple of those bad boys in and mix until everything is well combined. Time to incorporate our star player, the cookie dough. Gently fold it into the cheesecake batter, leaving some delicious chunks throughout. Pour that glorious mixture into a greased and floured springform pan. We're going for a slow and steady bake here, folks. Bake for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until the cheesecake is just slightly jiggly in the center. Once it's done, turn off the oven and let it cool inside with the door cracked open. This will prevent any cracks. Once cooled, pop it in the fridge to chill for a few hours, or even better, overnight. Okay, peanut butter lovers, this one's for you. We're about to combine 2 of the greatest things on earth, peanut butter cups and cookie dough. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now line those muffin tins because we're about to get down to business. Grab your cookie dough and press a generous amount into each muffin cup, creating a little well in the center. Now here comes the best part. Unwrap those peanut butter cups and press one into each cookie dough cup. We're talking a peanut butter cup explosion in every bite. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden brown and the peanut butter cups are nice and melty. Let them cool in the muffin tin for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. But let's be real, who can resist a warm, gooey peanut butter cupcake straight out of the oven? Chapter 4, Fudge You Can't Refuse. Alright folks, it's time to get down and dirty with some seriously decadent fudge. But hold on, we're not talking about your average run-of-the-mill fudge. This is cookie dough fudge, and it's about to rock your world. First, line an 8 by 8 inch baking dish with parchment paper. This will make our lives so much easier later on. Now, in a microwave-safe bowl, combine 1 cup of your favorite type of chocolate chips. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, go crazy! And 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until the chocolate is completely melted and smooth. Now for the game changer, gently fold in your package of cookie dough, leaving some delicious chunks throughout. Pour that glorious mixture into your prepared baking dish and spread it out evenly. Pop it in the fridge for at least 2 hours or until it's firm. Once it's set, cut it into squares and get ready to experience fudge like never before. Chapter 5. Deep-fried deliciousness. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get seriously indulgent. That's right, we're talking deep-fried cookie dough. Heat up your frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, let's prep our cookie dough. Scoop out small balls of cookie dough and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Pop those bad boys in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes to firm up. Once your oil is nice and hot, carefully drop a few frozen cookie dough balls into the fryer at a time. We don't want to overcrowd the fryer. Fry for about 1 to 2 minutes per side or until they're golden brown and cooked through. Remove them from the fryer and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they're still warm, roll them in cinnamon sugar, powdered sugar, or even cocoa powder for an extra touch of decadence. And there you have it. Deep-fried cookie dough that's crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside, and utterly irresistible. Chapter 6. Oreo Cookie Dough Truffles. Get ready to indulge in these decadent Oreo cookie dough truffles. First, crush an entire package of Oreo cookies into fine crumbs using a food processor. In a bowl, mix the Oreo crumbs with 1 package of softened cream cheese until well combined. Add chunks of store-bought cookie dough to the Oreo and cream cheese mixture. Roll the mixture into small balls and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Freeze the truffles for about 15 minutes to firm them up. Meanwhile, Melt 1 cup of chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Dip each truffle into the melted chocolate, ensuring they are fully coated. Place the chocolate-coated truffles back on the parchment paper. While the chocolate is still wet, sprinkle the truffles with colorful sprinkles for a fun touch. Let the truffles set in the fridge for about 10 minutes until the chocolate is firm. Serve these delightful Oreo cookie dough truffles at your next gathering and watch them disappear. Enjoy the perfect blend of Oreo, cookie dough, and chocolate in every bite. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible dessert recipes that prove store-bought cookie dough is a culinary chameleon. So next time you're craving something sweet and don't want to spend hours in the kitchen, grab a package of cookie dough and let your creativity run wild. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious dessert ideas. Until next time, happy baking!